Play. It's a busy day at the Steamworks. Several engines are coming in for repairs. Help fix each engine. Kevin can give you hints if you need them. Edward has oil stains. You fixed it! Edward is ready to get back to work. Emily's funnel is clogged with coal. Kevin suggests that you break the coal up with the hammer. That's right! Emily is ready to get back to work. Percy's whistle is broken. You fixed it! Percy is ready to be really useful again. You helped repair Edward and Percy and Emily. You did a great job.